Hey, hot tubbers, it's Jackie, the hot tub lady, and are you looking for the absolute smoothest, softest, and easiest water possible for your hot tub? And even if you don't have a salt system, but you want your water to feel like it is super soft like a salt system, stay tuned. I'll be right back, and I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do, and it is so simple to take care of your hot tub in this way. So hey guys, welcome back, and I promised you guys a review of this product here called Soft Skin Spa. It is absolutely one of the most amazing products that is out there, and it just doesn't get enough credit for what it is. But this product here is a water conditioner for your hot tub. You can use it on a salt system. You can use it on a non-salt system. You can use it with bromine. You can use it with chlorine. You can use it with salt. You can use it with any system that's out there. But this stuff is wow. I absolutely love it. I've been using it now for about 6 months. The second time around, I've used it in the past, and then I kind of quit using it, and then it was asked that I bring it back. So this is your product here, and when you get it, it just does amazing things, but it's super easy to do. You always want to make sure that you give it a good shake. I don't know if you can see that sediment down there in the bottom, but you want to give it a good shake when you first get it. And then it's so simple. You literally take this cap. It is measured out. This cap right here is a 1 ounce cap, and you're going to pour one of these caps into your hot tub for every gallon that it has. So like for my hot tub, it has 450 gallons of water in that hot tub. I actually put in 5 capfuls every week, once a week. And so what that does for me is a couple of really great things. One, it locks in my pH and alkalinity. So you do want to make sure your pH and alkalinity are actually dialed in before you actually start using this. 2, the water feels absolutely amazing. It just it locks everything in place. The new product actually has a phosphate remover, and the phosphates are a major buzz across the hot tub world these days, and especially on your salt systems. So it does have a little bit of phosphate remover. It actually has a calcium inhibitor, so kind of like a stain and scale control, but it has a little bit of that product in there, and it does help sanitize your water. It is not a standalone sanitizer. You definitely need to be doing that in addition to like a chlorine or a bromine or a salt system, but it makes your water just feel amazing. And probably the biggest benefit, and the reason that I recommend that you guys actually should be using this product, especially if you're on a salt system, it will make those salt cells last longer. And the reason for that is it puts a layer of protection over everything when you put that in your hot tub. You're not going to notice it the first time, even the second time, but by the third time you put this in, you are totally going to feel how much better your water is because you're using Soft Skin Spa. This stuff is absolutely fantastic. I'll put some links down below on where you can get it at, but especially if you're struggling with hard water, you guys, and there are markets that I have in my world that have really hard water. This is the one conditioner that you need to have. So if you have really hard water, or if you are on a salt system, you guys really need to get this. So when you get a second, pick up some Soft Skin Spa. I highly recommend it. I really do. I mean, this is not a sponsored video in any way, shape, or form. It's just a product that I feel that you guys are going to get the best. You're actually going to get more out of your hot tub, and you're going to enjoy your hot tub more because you have it. I love you guys so very much. Make sure that you definitely reach out to me if you have any questions at all. Instagram is definitely the best. You can just, leave me a message on Instagram, and I will definitely get back to you. Leave a message down below. I will 100% check you out there. Make sure that you ring the bell so you don't miss anything, and of course, always subscribe. It means the world to me when you guys subscribe. And I love you here at the Hot Tub Lady. All my goal is to make you a happy hot tubber. And just remember, keep making life epic.